Hello, Sneeze beta testers, and welcome to a glorious Monday afternoon in the Sneeze office. What I'm going to do in the next 5 to 7 minutes is show you a major update to the tool that has been made over the weekend. My partner James, who's sat just here, has been coding hard based on the feedback that you've given us over the past 7 to 10 days. We've made some major changes, so I'm just going to do a quick screen share to show you what has changed to support you in creating your campaign. So I'm going to log in and I'm going to go through the process of creating a new campaign with the e-commerce store that we started, Stitch. So the major difference here is we've removed a layer of information, the campaign section that usually housed all the separate different rewards that you could give to your customers. All you see in the bar on the left here are the separate rewards, which are not grouped within campaigns at the moment. Maybe they will be in the future. And then for each reward, you have 4 different sections. So we're seeing people were rather confused with the structure of the reward within the campaign and all the other things you could do previously, and now things are much simpler. So if we take a specific reward here, you can see this is the campaign that we already ran for the leggings store with this request and this reward. These submission emails were not actually edited, they were not customized for that campaign. You can see that we were able to then host that specific reward either on our domain, we haven't done that here, on our actual Shopify store, and we're going to go through the process of doing that in a second, WordPress, and then that's coming soon, and then custom forms can also be added to any website using this code. Distribution, then it can be through the link manually to customers by email, or to your social audiences here. And there's one sneaky little trick I'll show you at the end of this video that may actually get you new customers, as well as requesting your existing ones to share. Now, this coming soon button here is an integration to basically save you that step of taking the link and going off and emailing past customers or loading it into one of your existing post-purchase emails, but that is in the pipeline. Then obviously the tracking section where you can see what's been submitted, approve or reject, and then embed onto the site. So let's just very quickly go through the process of creating a new reward and then integrating it onto Shopify. So we can click here to create a new reward. I would potentially say, like, what would I want these people to do? It would be share an image of you in your, let's spell that right, view it in your leggings, and then we'll give you a, let's say, 10% discount code. And I say in the new submission email, we are going to load standard templates into here, so you can just edit them or completely create your own if you wish. Thanks for submitting. You will hear in 2 days. In the submission approval email, I'll be like, here is your discount code. Now, if I was actually doing this campaign properly, I would probably spend a little bit more time on these emails, and I could also explain a standard explanation for why a submission would be rejected here. We then click Save, and we can jump over to Publish. Now, if you wanted to publish this campaign page on the Sneeze domain, I would just call it the Stitch. Let's call it the Stitch Style Club, and then I would add a description. I'll just take the description from our previous campaign page here. And then we can save that, and then I could, in theory, distribute that link to my audience, but if I wanted a brand experience that was more consistent with our existing platform, then I would go to Shopify. I would then add the description into here. I could click. Then, as I have already integrated this Sneeze account onto my Shopify store, that has already created that page on our domain with our branding. So you can see here, that's how quick and simple it is. Once you have your store integrated, which can be done in just 2 buttons, that's how quickly you can get your campaign page up. So once we have that, in the future we're going to be able to, or very soon we'll be able to integrate WordPress. And if I had my own site that wasn't based on any popular e-commerce platform, I would be able to integrate those claim forms there. And then we'd obviously jump to distribute. We could distribute that page on Twitter by logging in and tweeting this link. One little trick which actually was pretty effective for us is when we did distribute this page, this was the actual campaign page that we sent, we added this little PS here where we said if you manage to get to this page, we put it on social media, and you don't have one of our products and you're not a customer, then here's a special discount code. So we just here's a 5% discount code that links straight to our product page, and we actually got a few sales from that. So that's why we've added in the distribute the campaign page on your social channels, because it can actually be a piece of content. It shows your potential customers that you like, and you look after your existing customers. So if you add a little incentive at the bottom for them to purchase, they may actually jump over and become customers. And then obviously they get sent that campaign page again when we automate that, and then they'll share, and then the loop goes on and on and on. Then obviously we can go to track. We don't have anything here because we haven't submitted any. I can quickly claim this reward. So I say Tom at tomhunt.io, and I'd say, let's just take an actual image so we can see it coming through. Let's take an image from our channel. Let's save this one. Embed. Oh, actually no. I can just go take this link, add that into the form, submit, and we'll come in here, and then I will refresh. We have one submission. I can check that out. Yep, looking good. And then I can approve. And then you can see I can take this feed and then add that onto our site. Here's another part that we're looking to automate. So now we have the connection with, or if and when we have the connection with your WordPress WooCommerce site or your Shopify store, you don't actually need to embed any code. You can just click a button and load that feed anywhere on your site. That is also in progress. So there are the updates. That's the new structure, which I think is much more straightforward. And that's the flow through managing like your campaign, publishing it either on our domain, Shopify, or custom, and then soon WordPress, and then distributing through social. And this email channel is also coming very soon, and then tracking over here. So that is a new version of Sneeze. Hope you like it, and if you have any questions, you can ping me at tom@tomhunt.io. You can ping me on Facebook, or you can ping me on Skype. Thank you very much for watching.
I try and basically work out.